calcium carbide slag can replace limestone to make cement, to produce quicklime as calcium carbide raw material, to produce chemical products, to produce building materials, and to treat the environment. Calcium carbide slag ball press is mainly used for the production of cold-pressed pellets of various powder, which is characterized by the reasonable utilization of a large number of other materials and industrial wastes. All powdery materials need to press the ball can be completed with calcium carbide slag ball press. Carbide slag ball press is simple in structure, mainly composed of 5 parts. 1 is the feeding part, the general use of belt feeding machine. The second is the transmission part. The main transmission system of this series is the motor through the V-belt, through the cylindrical gear reducer, through the open gear, and finally to the roll.